enter the temple, who seeing Peter and John.
Not many people I can say that I trust. Always been like this, don't give away that much. Somehow, gave it all to you. I keep my cocktail close to my chest. Takes me time to relax and confess. But somehow, gave it all to you. I complicate every situation. Build up a storm.
Hi vlog!
This is Atiki's kitchen.
Look at our ceiling. You can see
Cheers.
sunrise and sunset.
It's
The
stargazing.
galaxy at night. Nagaging pa oh.
Won't you stay a little longer? I've been missing someone like you. I know we're both getting older. We don't got time to lose. It feels right when you hold me. Just a little less lonely. Sounds cliche, but it's true. I've been missing someone like you. I've had my share of the heartbreakers. Stop letting them in after the last faker. Somehow, gave it all to you. None of them good enough to keep around. Probably why I don't let her go on down. Somehow, gave it all to you. Hard to read when I'm in my feelings. Basically, yeah, that's all the time. Something you do, it gives me healing. You make the worst things fine. Won't you stay a little longer? I've been missing someone like you. I know
Let me
we're
taste it.
both getting older. We don't got time to lose. It feels right when you hold me. Just a little less lonely. Sounds cliche, but it's true. I've been missing someone like you. No sweet words could ever do justice to explain what you mean to me. All the colors in you make me feel we got this, even when the good's hard to see. You where I wanna be. Won't you
Okay. Acts 3 verses 1 to 23. A lame man healed. Now Peter and John went up together to the temple at the hour of prayer, the 9th hour. And a certain man lame from his mother's womb was carried, whom they laid daily at the gate of the temple, which is called Beautiful, to ask alms from those who enter the temple, who seeing Peter and John about to go into the temple asked for alms. And fixing his eyes on him with John, Peter said, "Look at us." So he gave them his attention, expecting to receive something from them. Then Peter said, "Silver and gold I do not have, but what I do have I give you. In the name of Jesus of Nazareth, rise up and walk." And he took him by the right hand and lifted him up, and immediately his feet and ankle bones received
Won't
strength.
you
Verse 8.
stay with me? Won't you stay a little longer? I've been missing someone like you. I know we're both getting older. We don't got time to lose. It feels right when you hold me. Just a little less lonely. Sounds cliche.
I promise you that if you listen, if you carefully will be focusing, and then maybe you take note, it will help you.
Where are you going?
Home.
Going home. You should do a try on. We should do a try on.
Clothes.
Like clothes we didn't wear this pandemic. Oh dear.
Considering the secrets of your heart, and He saw you when you were seeking the truth. Saw you when those times that you were meditating and you were thinking about all this stuff, deep things, or even
Hi, Ngamba. Baba. Yes. Why are you so excited? Hmm? There's a viper.
So you get more content like that.
Okay. So the first day is the stretching, and this is the video I'm gonna do it from. And she's got a program for 5 days. I'm gonna do all of that. I'm gonna attempt. It's like a post holiday weight short-term diet thing.
I knew when I saw you, didn't care about the party. Wishing all of these people would just head out so we can talk. I could tell by the smile when you asked where to write your name on my wall. Wish I met you at 16, wish I could have taken you to prom. Better late than never, I see us spending days together, sketching pictures up and singing songs, wondering what I did before you came along. Oh, you're just what I need, the best part of me. Somehow it keeps getting better. I waited forever, but better late than never. Better late than never. Good days and bad days, I know I can call you, 'cause you always have answers to problems that I could never solve. Never met green eyes, I love to get lost in this much. Now all the time that we have left doesn't seem like it's enough. Better late than never, I see us spending days together, sketching pictures.
Thanks, Kuya Brad. Diyan na naman.
No, I'm not sure, but recently po, nung chinecheck ko yung weather between here and there, mas ayun sa south end, mas malamig sa mga 1 to 2 degrees in south end. Kaya dito.
Have seen you, I have seen with my father, and you do what you have seen with your father. They answered and said to him,
sketching pictures up and singing songs, wondering what I did before you came along. Oh, you're just what I need, the best. I waited forever. All the love I made and lost before we met seems so far gone. I wish it wouldn't have taken so long, but better late than never. I see us spending days together, sketching pictures up and singing songs, wondering what I did for you came along. Oh, you're just what I need, the best
You're in the vlog. Morning.
Parang alam ba yung mixing? Mixing. Alam ko.
Energy.
With all the thingy I ate. Jump, 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 jump. Ang dami ko kina.
Super lower.
Gawin mo yan sa hall. Yes, yes. Praise you, Lord. Praise you, Lord. For you are. You are good.
Nandiyan siya, di ba?
Naliligo ata ba?
I like your ribbon, ate.
Juanita, tsaka ano? Conrado. Happy birthday.
Woo!
Ang kulit. Ano naman? And teaching them to obey the promise of
Is this your house?
Ay, welcome to my home. Nasara na eh. Sorry.
So pretty out. Okay, let me hide this because it's not yet finished. My hair.
This is good.
I'm actually cold.
Jacket pa ka ni Dayan, binigay ko sa iyo.
Remember?
First time in Ireland.
With the snow?
Oh, no, you can see.
There. Starts to go up.
I'm jealous of like
Oh, it's on my
the
ice.
Northwest London. I think it's Northwest. Look at this.
Hello, everyone. It's gonna be so hard when we go back.
This one, I am dreaming
Of a white Christmas.
He ran.
Oh, it's so pretty, look.
Cute. That could be like, it reminds me of, you know, like.
Can't sleep when you pull no matter. Hope you think of me when you go back to the city. Do you remember Brooklyn? We were so good back then. What a mess we made. From kisses on the river, from gold to silver, now we're just engraved. From sneaking our way into rooftop skies, drunken songs of you and I, to nothing at all. It breaks my heart asking why, when we put city lights to shame, lit up streets with both our names. The love stood so tall, and there'll never be one the same. I hope you think of me when you walk down Broadway, hear me singing when you hear street bands play. Hope you think of me when you go back to the city. Hope you see me at the Soho Downer. Can't sleep when you pull no matter. Hope you think of me when you go back, even though it's over. There's no second go. I like to think there may be We'll live forever on every road that used to belong.